vlog here. Hi! Say hi to the vlog! Yeah, it's online.
Oh boy, you should have told me in advance.
It's okay! Okay, so how's your stay here in the Philippines?
It's nice, a lot of fun, a lot of good stuff to do around here. There's a lot.
So how do you feel we're going to a resort in the Philippines?
I'm really excited. They don't have anything like that.
In the US?
Not like that.
Okay guys, so we stopped by at the Cassie here at Ayala Mostery. So here's my cousin Ate Cathy and she tasted, what's that?
Jasmine milk.
Okay, jasmine milk. So how was it?
Very delicious.
Okay, how's the sweetness or anything?
It's sweet but not too sweet. And the bubbles are nice and chewy. They're not
Okay.
like hard and stale.
Okay.
So she's staying in New Jersey.
Yeah, right now. I've been slowly trying to convince her.
You have reached our destination. Taray, may ganahan. Hey guys, so today we had an unplanned adventure. So we're here at Club Balay Isabel Water Park. So it wasn't planned. Ako ba? Water Park. ulit. Hey guys, so today we had an unplanned adventure. So we're here at Club Balay Aqua Park.
Club Balay Isabel.
Hey guys, so today we had an unplanned adventure. So we're here at Club Balay Isabel Aqua Park. To repeat this all over until I get the correct term. So we're here at Club Balay Isabel Aqua Park. Yay! I got it correctly. Actually, we didn't go to that store because it will take 1 hour for the food. So we're here at the buffet section. Naalala ko yung... Of course, wala na nga pagkain, no? There's no more food. My food. We didn't saw... What's that? Bato de la Rosa? I don't know what's the surname, but he's one of the police here in the Philippines. Finished swimming at the swimming pool, so we're now going to that inflatable pool because it's already 3:58 p.m. and our schedule is 4 p.m. We cannot put, yes of course, we cannot bring my phone there because it's not waterproof. So we're going to take pictures first, and I cannot vlog everything that what was happened there. So Vest is on, so we're gonna go there. Say goodbye because we don't know what will happen. Bye! Kuya, paano pag sobrang medyo maluwag? Puro XL.
Maluwag pa din sa'yo.
Maluwag po.
Wala, tinamahal.
One, two, three, go. Go.
finished doing that inflatable pool and I get dizzy. Nahihilo ako guys, hindi ko alam kung bakit baby because kasi yung pinaka pool niya sobrang magalaw. So it's good.